Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Kraken Core in Grand Peace Online. This rare item is vital for crafting powerful accessories and weapons, significantly boosting your character's strength. To begin, understand that the Kraken Core drops from the Kraken boss, a challenging sea creature. Preparing for this fight is your first crucial step towards success. To find the Kraken, you must venture into the deep ocean, far from any islands. The boss spawns randomly, so patience and exploration are key. Look for a distinct whirlpool effect on the water's surface, which indicates its presence. Having a fast ship will greatly assist your search, allowing you to cover more ground efficiently and spot the boss before others. Defeating the Kraken requires a strategic approach and often teamwork. It is highly recommended to fight with a group of at least 2 to 3 players. Target its tentacles first to disable its primary attacks and reduce incoming damage. Then, concentrate your strongest abilities and devil fruit powers on its main body to quickly deplete its health. Once the Kraken is defeated, a loot bag will appear in the water. The Kraken Core has a relatively low drop chance, typically between 2% and 5%, so multiple attempts may be necessary. Be sure to quickly collect the core from the loot bag before it despawns or another player claims it. Congratulations on obtaining this valuable item.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.